And then other things that I use. So these are great for your teachers. These are meditation cards, and these are yoga cards. I get them from Becker's. These are awesome. Candle breath, hot chocolate. That was my nickname in college. I'm kidding. This one. So imagine in teaching kids how to breathe in with their nose and breathe out with their mouth. So everybody, grab your cup of hot chocolate. Okay, now first of all, we want to do is we want to breathe in with our nose. So you're going to smell the hot chocolate, breathe in. I want that stamp back, by the way. And then you're going to blow out the hot chocolate to cool it down and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. These are good. There's all different ones. These are different poses. I like the bat pose because it's really good because you're always standing or lying down. So this is one where you put your legs up in the air so that blood actually recirculates out. And if you do this, and I think the teachers should do this too because this also relieves back pain. I like the ragdoll pose. So what I do is when I'm doing these with the kids, so if we want to straighten our posture, everybody grab onto the string, pretend like you're a puppet, and grab onto your string and pull the string up. And see how all of a sudden it straightens you out. So this is a good way to improve posture, especially when you're doing the boring circle time that don't even get me started on that one. Okay, cool. What's the weather like? It's 15 minutes. It's sunny. Great. Move on. Who cares? Okay? And then what you do is you snip the rope, and when you snip I know, seriously, you snip your rope, and all of a sudden you fall down, and now you're in ragdoll, so that when you're doing this, what happens is, instead of spending money at a chiropractor, when you're actually hanging down, instead of them forcing an adjustment, your vertebrae naturally go thunk, 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 thunk. So you go like this, and you hang down, and then you breathe in. Oh, there's just one right there. Awesome. And then you become like the wind, and you start going back and forth, and you'll feel stress being alleviated from your lower back, and it's awesome. And you do a lot of breathing.